economy and finance. Introduction. Ethics, economy, and finance are connected to each other. They affect how people make decisions in daily life. Ethical values are very important in economic and financial activity. Without ethics, problems like inequality, corruption, and crisis can happen. Background. Globalization makes economic and finance more complex. Ethics helps create fairness, transparency, and responsibility. Many people focus more on profit than moral value. In Islam, ethics is part of all aspects of life. Research question. What are ethics, economy, and finance? How are ethics, economy, and finance relate? Why is ethics important in economic and finance activity? And next definition, ethics is about moral value and that help people decide what is right and wrong. Economic is the study of how people use limited resources to meet unlimited needs. Financial is about managing money, investment, and financial system. These three are connected because ethics influences economic and financial decision in daily life. Next, relationship between ethics, economy, and finance. Ethics, economy, and finance are closely related. Ethics guides how people make decisions in economic and finance. Economic help us understand how to use resources efficiently. Finance support economic activities, top managing money and investment. Ethics ensures everything is done honestly, responsibility, and transparently. Without ethics, problem and unfair practices can happen. Next, importance of ethics. Ethics is very important in economic and financial activity. It helps create fairness and justice in distribution resources. It builds trust between people and intuition. Ethics also prevent fraud, corruption, and misuse of power. It supports sustainable development by focusing on long-term benefits, not just short-term profit. Next, impact of unethical behavior and Islamic perspective. Impact of unethical behavior, financial crisis and instability, corruption and misuse of power, economy, inequality, loss of public trust. Kalau dari Islam perspektif, ethics is part of all economic activities, encourages honesty, justice, and responsibility, prohibits unfair and harmful practice, promotion social welfare and balance. Next, solution. Ethics, economy, and finance are closely connected. Ethics helps create fairness and stability. Unethical behavior can cause serious problems. Ethical values are important for sustainable development. Thank you so much.
Hi everyone, today I would like to presentation about the Islamic ethical system. Ethics, economics, and finance. What is meaning of ethics, economics, and finance? 2. How are ethics, economics, and finance relate to each other? 3. Why are ethical principles important in economic and finance activities? 4. What are the impacts of unethical behavior in economics and finance? Meaning of ethics, economics, and finance. Ethics, economics, and finance are closely related fields that shape human behavior and decision making in both personal and professional life. Ethics may be understood as a set of moral principles that guide individuals in distinguishing what is right from what is wrong. It's not only concerned with action but also with intention and responsibilities toward others. In everyday life, ethical values influence how people interact, make choice, and respond to challenges, especially when faced with situations that involve fairness, honesty, and accountability. Ethics, economics, and finance relate to each other. The relationship between ethics, economics, and finance can be understood as a dynamic interaction in which moral values influence decision-making process within economic and finance system. Ethics provides the foundation for determining what is the desired right or wrong, while economics focus on how resources are allocated and finance deals with the management of money and investments. Together, these three fields shape how individuals and institutions behave in both market and society. Ethics plays a crucial role in guiding economic behavior by ensuring that decisions are not based on profit maximization, but also on moral responsibility. In many cases, economic choice can have significant social impacts, affecting employment, income distribution, and access to resources. Therefore, ethical consideration help balance efficiency with fairness, ensuring that economic outcomes benefit a wider segment of society rather than a select few. Ethical principles important in economic and financial activities. Ethical principles play a central role in shaping economic and financial activities, particularly within Islamic context where moral values are deeply integrated into all aspects of life. Individuals engaged in business and finance are expected to uphold honesty, fairness, and integrity in every transaction. These values are not merely recommendations but essential guidelines that influence